AMG S63 Coupe. My first idea when pulling endlessly in the Mercedes-AMG livelier. 2018 Mercedes-Benz S car 135,222. The V12 sets up greater numbers, yet the V8-controlled Mercedes-AMG S63 is the pinnacle S Coupe. Antuan Goodwin, Roadshow. Fueled by a carefully assembled AMG 4.0-liter biturbo V8, the S63 just felt more prompt and alive than the S65. Power is expressed at 603 pull and 664 pound-feet of torque, which is not exactly the V12, yet you wouldn't know it by tuning into the growl and pop originating from the AMG Performance Exhaust. The V8 puts its torque through an AMG Performance form of the Matic plus all-wheel drive framework subsequent to being duplicated by the Speedshift multi-grasp 9-speed transmission. Top speed is as yet expressed at 186 miles per hour, yet the livelier V8 influences the 0-60 to run in only 3.4 seconds. Truly, it's quicker than the all the more capable V12. Everything about the S63 feels execution arranged. It's lighter, louder and meaner. On the same twisty streets, the 63 feels more adjusted and invigorated than the 65. The transmission's proportions feel more qualified for dynamic driving, which implies less ungainly mid-turn changes and better gear determination while controlling out of a corner. Similarly, the motor revs all the more unreservedly and appear to convey less latency, so downshifts were speedier, smoother and more averse to disturb the body. 2018 Mercedes-Benz S car 140,715. The S63 feels lighter and more agile than the S65. It's speedier to 60, as well. Antuan Goodwin, Roadshow. There's additionally a track-centered race mode that goes past the Sport and Sport Plus drive mode settings, extricating the soundness control framework's hold and taking into account more dynamism in the taking care of. In any case, the S63 can in any case carry on like an appropriate test class, slipping into its solace mode in rush hour gridlock and spoiling its travelers with a similar level of civilities, tech and extravagance as whatever remains of the S Coupe and Cabriolet lineup. 8 is more noteworthy than 12. The S63 just feels like a superior auto than the S65. The last's V12 is ever somewhat smoother and the greater motor makes them both strides among those concerned for the most part with having the greatest numbers, yet I think the biturbo V8 rendition is the no-bargains S Coupe to get and the all the more compensating machine. What's more, I'd bet that Mercedes-AMG specialists and Artworks Society think in this, too.